Welcome to PublishPuzzles.com. To get started, go to Membership Account and log in. Once you're logged in, click on Generator Hub. This is where all of the puzzle generators are located. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the Premium Mazebook Puzzle Generator. This puzzle generator is only available to premium members. Memberships start at $17. Click on the Mazebook Puzzle and Key Generator button, and the puzzle generator will open up in a new browser window. First, choose how many puzzles you'll be creating. Then select the difficulty, choosing between easy, medium, or hard. Next, select your page size. Set your margins, and if you're publishing your book, set your inside gutters as well. You can name your project or leave this blank. Then select your uniqueness. This feature will make sure that the current book does not have any duplicate puzzles. Then click Generate. In the preview, you'll see the puzzles and their answer keys. Finally, click the Print to PDF, and your puzzles and keys will prompt to print to PDF. This PDF can be uploaded to Amazon KDP, printed, or even sold as a puzzle printable.